Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter display section, then go to the status bar, and here you have this last option, battery indicator. You can set it to show your battery percentage inside the battery icon. You can set it to show it next to the battery icon, and you have this option to show this green line at the top of your screen, which displays your batteries, like it's just your batteries live bar. The perfect name for this, top bar. I'll guess I just stay with this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.